morning. Hi, good morning. So today we are studying Jolly Phonics Book 1. Okay, let's listen to Karen. Okay, let's see what she can read. Yeah, okay. You can pick. Okay. Okay, that one. Can you read the word? Okay. Come on. What is the word? Okay, wait. Okay. Okay. What is it? Okay. Kevin, can you pick the picture? So you read the word. What is the word again? What? Oh, it's upside down. It's upside down. Yes. Okay. What's that? Okay, very good. Okay, Kelly. Wow, very good. 1 point. Okay, give that to me. Give that to me. Okay, thank you. Say you're welcome. Okay, look. Next word. Next word, Karen. Okay, so this is what Karen read. And okay, next word. Next word. Okay. What's the next word? You've got 3 more. Oh, this is done. Okay, 3 more words. Okay, what's the word? Kelly, read it.
What is a seat?
Okay, where? Oh, at your back. Look at your back. Okay, what's it again? Can you read it? Okay, good. Can you put it here? So this is the second word of Karen. Eat. Seat. Okay, you've got 2 more words. Okay, which one? Okay, what's the word? Okay, very good. Where's the pin? Very good. And the last one? Oh yes. Okay, you finished 1 more word. Good job. Good job, Karen. And 1 more. 1 more word. What's a word? Okay. What is? Oh, very good. Pan. Okay, good job, Karen. So you've got 4 words over there, and that's your book. Okay. Bye-bye. Mama is here. Great.